Hello friends, welcome to Brainy Brothers channel. Today I am going to show you the simplest car. Now let's find pieces and make the car. Find the pieces to make the simplest car. Now let's get started. Take the 4x4 piece and fix it top of the 4x6 base plate and take the curved piece and fix it front of the 4x4 piece and flip it over. Take the 2x4 piece and fix it on the center and take the tire bar and fix it over the edges and flip it over again. Fix the slope piece on the end of the 4x4 piece and take the transparent mirror and fix it on the edge and take another transparent and fix it on the another side of the edge and take the 2x4 plain piece and fix it on the top. Now the tires. I'll show you how it goes. Whoa! It goes very long. Your car is ready. Do you saw it? Even it goes long. Like, share, comment and subscribe.